Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create this interactive Google map. We'll use the same data we worked with in the previous video, where we learned how to create a static map from an Excel file. I'll leave the link in the description in case you haven't seen it yet. Let's get started. First, let's load the package Leaflet. Leaflet is a lightweight and easy-to-use JavaScript library for creating interactive maps. It allows you to add maps to your website and customize them with various features like markers, pop-ups, and layers. It's popular for its simplicity and performance, making it a great choice for web mapping projects. Then, let's use htmltools package. It provides functions for creating and manipulating HTML content. It's especially useful for generating dynamic web pages and interactive applications in R. You can use it to build HTML elements programmatically, making it easy to integrate custom content into web applications or reports. Finally, let's load these two packages that we've already seen in the previous video. They are used for data manipulation and reading Excel files, respectively. Now, let's read the Excel file containing data on the main tourist attractions in Peru that we reviewed in the previous video. Let's make sure it loaded correctly. Great. We can see that all the data has been successfully loaded. Now, let's plot the map of Peru in its entirety. Wow, it looks awesome. Finally, let's run the loop to add the points for the tourist attractions. As you can see, the markers for the tourist attractions have been added. The source code will be available on GitHub. Please subscribe, share, and like the video to help us make more content like this. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might enjoy it. Also, if there's a specific topic you'd like to learn more about, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and create more content that suits your interests. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.